Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be about this look right here. So this is my first Valentine's Day look tutorial. Woo. I love this look. It looks super sexy. And with red lips, what's better? This look can be paired with all lips you want, like a dark plum will be beautiful, a nude, a red, a pink, also a bright pink could be super pretty too. Also, this look is super easy to achieve. It didn't take a lot of brush and it didn't take a lot of shadow. I use my super dirty Jaclyn Hill palette, but you can use whatever you have at home, and it have a wing liner but pretty easy to achieve. So before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to follow me on my social media, and without further ado, let's jump into this. So I'm gonna do my eyes first. Like usual, I already do my brows, so that's why they look like this. So first I'm gonna use my Morphe M433 and I'm gonna use the shade Jax. my voice again. So this shade right here. So I'm just gonna go into my crease. So I know it's gonna look crazy at first, but we're gonna blend this thing a lot. Next, my voice. I'm gonna go into butter and I'm just gonna start to blend the first shade. So this is a Morphe M502 and I'm gonna blend this shade more in the cat eyes kind of look because I want to do a cat eyes. And I'm gonna mix this with MFEO. I'm just gonna take my first brush and I'm not gonna adding more color on it, and just take what it have on it and put this all over my lids. So I'm just gonna take again the first shade, so Jax, and be sure to tap the excess because we want something soft. So only 2 brush and only 3 shades to achieve this look right here. So super simple again. So now I just take a Pukey to put over because it was a little bit too reddish for me for what I want to do. So I want something a little bit more brown. I much more prefer this. So if you recreate this look with the same palette, just don't go into Jax because it was, or if you like it, go for it. But yeah, I wanted something a little bit more warm tone but not so much red. So now I'm gonna take a black liner, so whatever you want. Mine is a Makeup Forever one, and I'm gonna do a wing with a pencil, not with a gel or something like this, because I want to smudge the wing a little bit. So I'm just gonna take angled brush and go over my pencil, and just for my inner corner to be sure that it's gonna stay there because if you only put some pencil, everything's gonna run off super quickly. I'm gonna take my NYC eyeliner and I'm just gonna create like that shape that I do. So that's it for my wing. I'm gonna do my other wing and I will be right back. So I'm gonna speed over this. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this Tatcha Luminous Silk. Oh, I have black right here on my nose. I never have this much down here problems since like the high school time. I just don't know what's going on my skin. So now I'm gonna conceal a little bit my under eyes with my Becca Under Lightning Coverage. And if you really know me, you know that I didn't wet my sponge, so I'm gonna wet my sponge now. So for my foundation, I'm gonna use my MAC Face and Body Foundation. I use it in my last tutorial, but I want to see how it performs like when I do my normal skin face makeup. So first I'm just painting my face quickly. Okay, this is sheer. I'm gonna try to do another layer of this, and if it's too sheer, I'm gonna put another foundation with it beside the coverage. So if you have a perfect skin, this will look so good because it's pretty much looks skin-like. Because my skin doesn't look good at all, I'm gonna mix it with another foundation who offer a little bit more coverage, but it's look good. It just, my skin looks so bad that I need a little bit more coverage right now, at least on this region right here. So yeah, so I'm gonna take a little bit of my Sephora one. So now I'm gonna cream contour like the other video, but not like the other video. I'm gonna use again my Makeup Forever 5 Camouflage Cream Palette, but this time I'm gonna use this one, so it's more like a cool tone shade, I would say. So I'm gonna use it with the same brush of the other day, but I'm gonna almost wipe off all the excess into my hand. I'm gonna go over the contour just to be sure that everything is blend. And now I'm gonna highlight my I'm gonna put some concealer under my eyes. So when I cream contour, I always love to put contour first. So if I go a little bit too high with my contour, I can erase everything with my concealer. So I didn't say it, but this is my Jouer concealer. So if you like me, you do your eyes first and you do the trick into your inner corner. So go super gently with a brush, because with the beauty blender it's not gonna be as precise as a brush. So now I'm gonna bake a little bit. So I'm gonna bake with my Maybelline powder. So with the excess powder, I'm just gonna press this where my pores look a little bit bigger. So right here, just like this. So now I'm gonna do my under eyes. So for my under eyes, I'm gonna first line my waterline in black. I'm just gonna smudge my liner with this Morphe M169. So now I'm gonna take a powder and just blend the pencil. I'm just gonna take a more fluffy brush and blend MFEO. I don't know why I keep putting those lashes, but they just doesn't want to stick to my eyes. Like every time it's a battle. So I'm gonna remove all the bake into my face. And I'm just gonna take my shade and light palette and take the more pinkish shade and put this under my eyes. So I'm gonna take my Morphe M527 and just mix these two shades into the it's called Cat Vegan Beauty, I think it's called now. I don't know. What's your thought about this rebrand kind of stuff? I don't know if I'm gonna buy more of this brand, but I'm gonna use what I have now on camera because like, I have it already, so I want to use it. So for my nose, I'm gonna just take the more grayish shade. Now I'm gonna blush my skin. I'm gonna use my trusty Milani Romantic Rose blush. I just love this blush. Just go with everything and it's not too, I don't know, it's a beautiful, perfect blush. And you can, if you go out, you can apply a little bit more blush because blush is the first thing that go away of your face. I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara onto my bottom lashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little bit of Morphe setting spray to melt all the powder in my face. And I don't have my fan anymore because my son just keep playing with it. Brows highlight, I'm gonna take the two shade right here into the Jaclyn Hill palette, so in Light and Beam. So I love these two shades together to do a brows highlight because it's not too intense. Again, with the same brush, I'm gonna highlight my inner corners, but for my inner corner, I'm gonna use my Artist Couture Coco Bling highlight. This highlight is just stunning. And highlight my cheeks. This highlight is just stunning. I'm gonna use the IluvSarahii red and I cannot wait to try it because it looks stunning when she put it on her lips. So I'm gonna go with this. So first I'm gonna line my lips because you know me, if I don't line my lips I'm gonna look like a clown. And with a red, I'm gonna look like a clown. And now, with the beautiful red, this red is stunning. So I'm just gonna reapply a little bit of setting spray. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you like this look right here. So this is my kind of look to look sexy AF. So a very catfish, I was gonna say. A very cat eyes look, super sexy, super smoky, matte. I love a matte look with a bright red lips. This is just me. I love this. So yeah, I hope you love it and be sure to put the thumbs up if you like this type of video. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!